So when do you have to go through probate? You have to go through probate in Minnesota when your probate assets are in excess of $75,000 or estate of the person who dies has real estate that isn't jointly owned as joint tenants with another person and doesn't have a beneficiary. Those are the things that trigger probate. So what's a probate asset? A probate asset would be an account in the deceased person's name that isn't jointly held with anybody else, or the joint owner isn't alive. In addition, that account doesn't have a beneficiary, or the beneficiary on that account is not alive. So it's an account that there's no direction within the account on where it goes at death, because it doesn't pass to a joint owner that's living, it doesn't pass to a beneficiary that's living. So let's say we have one account that fits that definition, it's worth $30,000. And then we have another account that fits that definition, it's worth $50,000. Together, it's worth $80,000, which is over the $75,000 threshold. Those two accounts together would trigger probate. However, if we just had one account worth $30,000, that in itself would not trigger a probate because it's not over the threshold. In that case of just one $30,000 probate account, we could prepare what's called an affidavit of collection to collect it without having to go through all the steps of the court proceeding. Stay tuned because I am going to talk more about the other processes with probate. So if you do have a probate, listen up because we're going to talk more about the next steps.